Hello everyone. So myself Abhishek Dalo. So our today's topic is difference between comparator and comparable in Java. So basically, Java provides two interference to sort a object just by using the data members of an class. So there are first one is comparable and comparators. So a comparable object is capable of comparing itself with another class objects. So the class itself must be implemented the Java dot language dot comparable. So interference to compare the instance. So consider a class with students students so like roll number, mark, etc. So we need to sort them according to the marks and on the basis of year, on the basis of roll number. So we can implement the comparable interference with comparable with class student. So we can override the method and compare to with comparable interference. So for using comparator is external to the element type. So we comparing it to a separate class. So we create multiple separate classes. So to compare by different members. So collection class has a second short. So methods and it takes comparators. So the short method invokes the compare to short objects. So basically we can say that a comparator it is an interference which provides a compare method to compare two objects of a same class where it provides the flexibility as we create and run create and run the number of comparators for each property of an object which we want to compare. Then comparable. So comparable interference. So it is used when we want to compare the object using one of their properties. So it is considered to be natural sorting of an object. So consider the list of employees and we want them to be sorted by a name as default sort. So comparable interference has a compare to method which targets class has to be implemented. So comparable and comparator both are interference that can be used to sort the collections. So comparator interference belongs to the java.utl dot package, while comparators belongs to the java.language dot package. So comparator interference sort the collection using two objects provided to where the comparable interference compare this reference to one of the objects provided. So next we will discuss the main difference between comparable and comparator on the basis of method, sorting, then sorting techniques and packaging. So first of all, on the basis of method. So comparable, it is compared to the interference and method has compared to objects, while comparator it has the method compare method. Then sorting use. On the basis of sorting use, the comparable has the collection sort method which can be used to sort the collections of an comparators object comparator types object, while in comparators the collection sort methods can be used to sort the collections of comparators by type objects. Then on the basis of sort techniques, so it is used by just sorting on the basis of compare compare method, and comparator, it is used to sort on the basis of compare to method. So thank you.